Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Open the Health app to create a sleep schedule and set a sleep goal. Choose a realistic goal like 8 hours or 7.5 hours. Select your wake-up time and bedtime for each day of the week. Allow a wind down of 30 minutes to prepare before bedtime. Enable sleep focus to block alerts and notifications during sleep. Turn on sleep mode to dim the lock screen and simplify the sleep screen before bedtime. Add wind down shortcuts like meditation, light, or reading for 30 minutes before bedtime. Choose actions that launch automatically when wind down begins on your iPhone. Set a gentle alarm sound in the clock app to wake you at the scheduled time. Configure snooze intervals of 5 to 15 minutes if you need a gradual wake. Link the clock alarm to your sleep schedule so wake-up times stay consistent across days. This combination helps reinforce regular sleep and wake patterns. View sleep duration, time in bed, and trends in the Health app under Sleep and Sleep Analysis. Enable Track Sleep using iPhone for basic motion-based tracking or wear an Apple Watch for more accurate data. Check your sleep focus and Health app permissions if tracking does not start. Review weekly and monthly trends to adjust your sleep goal or schedule. Export data or share PDFs for a clinician if needed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.